alam nyo, dream ko talaga na maging Stacy in life. Parang very unhinged siya, no? Yes. Thank you, Stephen. And I love it how she's like, yung naglalakad siya, may pa-hair flip pa siya. I love the personality. She's so, gusto ko yung last name ko sa last series ko, Bougie. So, Stacy here is Bougie. As in the description term. So, very well put together siya. Very, malakas ang personality ni Stacy. And I'm also so excited kasi dito sa movie na to, may never been seen before kayong eksena na makukuha. As in, guys, sobrang exciting to. Oo. Diba? Kasi, ano nga ba yung tinanong ni Stacy? Hindi ko pa nakakasagot nun. Yung tinanong ni Stacy sa dalawang boys, ano bang hinihingi niya, guys? And connected yun dun sa scene na sinasabi ko na never been seen before. Oo. Grabe, nawindang ako dito, guys. Hindi ko talaga alam na, kung anong mangyayari talaga. So, buti na lang nandyan si Direk Joel to guide me. Ganon. Actually, pag once lumabas tong movie na to, ipopost ko sa Instagram ko. Ayan! Sabi ni Divine. So, Divine Mikala Nebria. Do you guys have something? Yes! That's it. Divine. I love your name as well.
Ayun na nga yung hinihingi ni Stacy, diba? Oh, very, liberated si Stacy natin. Hi, Roderick from Arizona, USA. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And may mga from Luxembourg. So, is this po nationwide in the Philippines?
Etong fruitcake. So, if you guys want to invite, even though you're from Luxembourg or like Australia, in the Philippines, you can tell your family members. Buti na lang English era si Stacy here. Nakakaloka. Karina can't relate. Ayan. Thank you, Yaz. Harvey, thank you so much as well. Ano bang sinabi mo dun kay censored? April MMR. Ayun na nga, April. I can't believe I asked that as well. Pero as characters, diba? You shall not judge your characters. Once again, guys, thank you so much for joining in and tuning in into our live. If you still haven't seen our trailer, it's on Create Cinema, it's on Cornerstone's Instagram, as well as me and other my co-actors. So, you can always rewatch it
there and share it. And, ayun, sana guys, makapunta kayo on June 8, nasa Vista Mall Taguig kami. June 9, SM Novaliches and SM East Ortigas. June 11 naman ay nasa Trinoma kami for
our premiere night. And June 12 is showing na kami in cinemas nationwide. Hi, Julian! So, this is directed by Direk Joel Ferrer. And if you guys have time, ayan, pwede kayong manood. Thank you so much. And of course, tag us kung
anong feel nyo about the movie, if you guys liked it, if you guys had various reactions, mga opinions nyo about the movie. We would love to know. Just